想和你看5月的晚霞6颜容，在一起许7月的流星花颜容，只愿等晚来的浪漫以及你 All about you。 想和你看5月的晚霞。Rise and grind, baddies. We're at Zhongshan right now. We're gonna grab my favorite noodles over here and then do some shopping. But most importantly, we're gonna get some work done today. So I'm excited to explore a little bit more about the cafe scene in Taiwan because I didn't realize how good the cafe scene was here. I always thought it was always Korea and Japan that were really good at cafes, but the cafes here are so like hidden and discreet that it doesn't look like cafes from the outside. So let's go.
Take my B-reel.
Of course. Wait, I'll get you a photo. Yay! Okay, let's eat.
The noodles are so good.
Right?
With the spicy sauce, it's really
So 我的宝贝，你别跟我假也会累，脆弱的心被你一击就碎。So what you say？ 能不能再给个机会？谁能把你的心抚慰？就算天黑，我也不怕会疲惫。犯过的罪，没人能体会，是我不对，是自己在流泪。我想念你，我恨自己错过，爱你到说不出口。So what you say？ 不能再给个机会，谁能把你的心抚慰？就算天黑，我也不怕。Dinner time at a local Taiwanese restaurant. I'm gonna eat some din din with a friend. You just get my heart pumping every time that you hear around me. 노래 소리가 들려나와. Yeah. 하늘을 calling me you. I'm always so excited to meet you. 내 향기가 날 먼저 찾아가. Yeah.
啊，这个15分，中间的话我们可能可以，只有这个可以碰到。
哦，懂了。
还会有粉色。
Whoa, 鼎泰丰 could never. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. No, I got you. Now I got you. I need to break it anyway. 老板，可以一杯，它不是草莓，跟一个西多多什么？对对，哦，不是西瓜，西多多果汁。 Oh my god, 吃 girl. 吃. Please test. Is it better than an average dumpling? 可以.
Yeah, 可以.
Okay. Look at that monster. Wait, I love that the 老板 gave us like, yeah. It's good. Or maybe I just haven't had a good dumpling in a while.
What is like your favorite cuisine?
I think Thai food.
Oh, Thai food. Oh, okay, yeah, pretty good.
Yeah, how about you?
Favorite one, that's so hard. Oh, there was like a time that was obsessed with Indian food.
Indian food is good.
I was like,
You want to try
so
mine?
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, you can try this.
Oh, okay. Jambe?
Okay.
What is mine?
Trying to taste the. You have kiwi?
Yours has kiwi. So I kept tasting the kiwi.
Wait, yours had a kiwi? 是多多什么?
C 多多汁. It's like C just vitamin C, so like he just mix up all the fruit that had the highest vitamin C. Maybe. Wait, I want to try.
Plain.
No, I taste bala. Yours has more kiwi than mine.
Really?
Okay. Matcha and a hojicha pickle. That's good. We're gonna get matching ones. Cute. Oh my gosh, they're like opposites of each other.
That's so cute. Wait, it matches our outfit.
It's a sign. Oh my god, wait, you're so right.
That's crazy.
Okay, let's get it. This is to commemorate our dermatologist success story. Okay.
I got popped my pimple on the spot.
Show a cultural moment.
Size
Oh my gosh, square footage is the same as New York City. Okay, 谢谢. Apartment tour. Stop. It's so cute. Yes, get into it. Yeah. Cheers. Our last meal. Aww.
That's good. Yeah. It's like a bright purple too.
I think because the soy sauce got marinated into it. Yeah, I think I might be wrong.
That's always good.
Not my favorite, but it'll taste good with your Wait, do you know which types that you're not compatible with?
Oh, I don't know.
Or
But I know she's Aries.
oh, we're not compatible. Oh, are we not? Oh, because it's water and fire signs.
Yeah, we're really not.
Like I'm introverted,
Yeah.
but I make the effort to have it not be awkward. But then she was the type of introvert that she won't say anything until talked to.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I totally got that vibe.
No.
Wait, no, I got that vibe like when you went to the bathroom for 1 second. I was like, oh, what do I say?
I was like, oh my god, what do I talk about? And I'm like, oh, I know, all girls love talking about their boyfriend. Let's talk about boys. And then we talked about that for like a good like half an hour. I'm like, I'm on a roll. I have no idea. Oh no, they probably soak it.
Is this
Oh, the receipt, yeah.
She was like 200
So the receipts in Taiwan basically is lottery system. Yeah, so like between May and June, you get a one chance.
Oh, didn't someone say they won? Serena?
Oh, 1,000. Those ones are easy. The big ones are hard. Which one's yours?
I don't know if I got the right one.
Oh, I think mine.
Did you get it?
Oh, this one's mine. This one's mine.
Oh.
Earl Grey. But we can try each other. Yay! 3, 2, 1.
Cheers.
Wow. The Earl Grey is strong.
Good? Whoa. Whoa, that's crazy.
Oh, yours is like milk tea. Yeah.
Yeah. That's so floral.
Yeah. The Earl Grey notes.